Let's see what it has to offer.
It looks good. We'll have a little look around and then maybe we've never been here before, so we'll go and have a look. Yeah. Thank you. Looks good.
This one looks very spicy. Nobody's cooking. Maybe we're too early. This Fushao seems to be the only one that's cooking. So there was a quick visit through Dewi Sri Food Centre. Not much happening at all at this point. Right, so we made it to Legian Food Court and we're at Annie's kitchen. In for satay. What are you expecting of your satay?
I'm expecting it to be absolutely delicious. I'm very hopeful.
Well, me too. We'll find out very
She
soon.
hasn't got any fried chicken, has she?
Well, here we are at Iwako La Galigo for, we're going to try another satay. Well, I am, and Mark is going to have the fried chicken and rice. So, and another bintang. So it's all good at the moment. The first satay was not so good. It came in like a barbecue sauce and it was very salty. No peanuts that we could see, so very different. But we're expecting better things here because it did say on the menu peanut sauce. Satay number 2, and it looks identical to satay number 1. The HP sauce all over it, except it's got rice. Yum! That's fried rice and thank you. Fried chicken and rice with condiments.
Yeah, I was just going to say that.
Well, there we go with the satay and rice. Added a little bit of chili sauce and it was quite yum. Surprisingly, it blew my mind. And Mark's loving her fried chicken.
Very nice. I'm enjoying it immensely.
Without any chili sauce. And the band is currently playing Hotel California. The guy on the guitar just came around asking for tips, and I said, do not play Hotel California. But that's Bali for you. For Bali. So that's good night from the Legian Food Court. After all, quite a good evening. Content is on its way.